Wolf ball maker is easy to use. It makes aerodynamic, compact ground-bait balls of 45mm or 60mm diameter. Excellent for use in conjunction with the Wolf Advanced Method feeder system. The ground-bait balls will all be the same diameter and the same weight for accurate launching and can be used in conjunction with the fly ball. The gripper is formed of 4 shells to make compression as round as possible. The ball maker was born from the need to quickly and easily create a large number of ground-bait balls solid enough to launch at considerable distance.